Kublai pi baro, ni pidal sobai pi shangan ni katup kubor menta ka janmiet. Shawin yasang, tungi ni pai shwa shakimat ki bakonsan. Kiu ka jingdon ki bakot na ka jingpang COVID-19 hakari shaka prabupra point rupulai na ka shispa. Job katanat Sipai Border Security Force Meghalaya Frontier, bante alakam ya uknyang jingpang ha headquarter. Laraki kasih ginong penyat Lingsun, lani ka World Air Traffic Controllers di menta kasih. Bat penlong jingyalang ki Deputy Commissioners jong ka West Jaintia Hills District, bat ka West Karbi Anglong District ban penbet halor ki kam kaput menta kasih. Ki kubor ki babnya. Ke India kalala banjam ya shibun ki mau jam ha ka jingya kun persha jongka ya ka jingpang covid ki balayo thamba ya ka jingpang hakini ki ar pusau kenta baladap kala hiar duna ya ka sanpho hajar ngut ha ka sien ka baningkong e la jan lai banai menta kidan kumba sau phun rio hajar news pa khandai phongut ki bayo thamba ya ka jingpang hakini ki ar pusau kenta baladap kidan baro kumba hendriup khandai hajar news pa ar phongut ki nongpang ki balakot balapha shala ki yeng hakini ki ar pusau kenta baladap Kajingdon jong ki balakot hakari kalanang kiyo shaka prabupra point riupulai na kashispa. Da kajingdon jong bun ki nongpang ki balayo jingkot manlagasni bat kajingyai ni kajinghiar ha kajingdon jong ki bayap ka India kadang yai beteng bandon kajinghiar ha kajingdon jong ki bayo thamma ya ka jingpang. Ha Meghalaya kajingdon jong ki nongpang COVID-19 kalahiar shaka arpu prangut henin kasni. Kabapen kiyo ya kajingdon jong baro ki nongpang shaka 8,000 riup khandai ngut. Kajingdan jong ki bayo jingkot ka long shis pa shpongut kenthop baro kidan hadu 100,000 lais pa kandai pu arngut. Halo jong ka jing sha kenno bam sap ki district council ba ka jing yai beteng jong ki dekhot ka seng BGP ban kentho umentri rang ba ka jilla hinen ka sngi ulaong ba ka office straight kam jong u ka ple ya baro ki dekhot jong ki seng sinrop lang ban ya tai halor ki mat badan kam ulaong shu shu ba ka jing ya beteng ban ai jingkran hakmat kilat pathai khubor ka pinpau ya ka jingbam kit khli nakaliang jong ka seng BGP ula pinshai ru halor ka jingkran jong u sambon mentri rangba ka jilla uba pruston tensong balada ka seng BGP kamhun kala ban weng no ya ka jingka shan jong ka kadba ula bin rapat mabaro ki seng san perthai ki de ban wan shakmat ban yakran ya kimat badon kam hakami trikam bat u.
If there are any concerns that any of the political parties are facing, we have always said that please come and share, discuss with us. And if you have any concerns, we can always resolve it and we can find a solution to it. But I think coming out in the press like this and continuously giving irresponsible statements is not the way. You have to act responsibly. You have to make sure that you give consistent statements. And I think the way the party leadership of the BJP has been speaking has been very, very responsible, and therefore whatever Deputy CM has said is absolutely correct.
Kadorba shnong jong shnong nong di song West Khasi Hills District nen gasni kala aya ga jingpen shai halor ga jingjia ga badangshen ha ga balatep im ya we ubrio halor ga jingkno ba aiksut urang ba shnong jong shnong nong di song uba Christopher Lingdo penlang ula ong ba kadorba shnong kamshim ladon binta aa ha ga ne ga jingle bamdei ga bashir khai ula ong shushu ba ga executive committee jong ga dorba shnong nong di song ka penrem ya ga ne ga jingle Bat ong bakum kinong penyat shnong kin ai bed ya ka jingya lang bat kitanat pulet ke district ban penti kana babaro ki badon kiti hakani ka kam snio kin yo ya ka jing pensitom kat kum kaan
kinong wilam shnong nim semua yo objektif ai semua tip ai hakani ki jingjian ba wan jia hakani ka kom ba kita pendram jur ya kini kinong lek kam snio ku ba katukat na yung ba lale kani kakam lunak rukla te namay sa kamat ni saya trelang no atapor juga an mo nilatep ban ya kandu ya ki botun ka police department ro ani trelang bat kane
Nakajingdan palat South Pangut kibayo yakajingpang COVID-19 syakajingdan setang kumba arpun riungut ketanat cipai Border Security Force Meghalaya Frontier kalala bante lakam yakajing sapriang uni uknyang jingpang naka headquarter jongki hangni hasilong ketanat cipai BSF hakawai kapor kadon hadu South Pangut kibayo yakajingpang COVID-19 henry lingbaga jingbut perking yaki kendon kala penlapat yaki tanat cipai BSF banlat nakajing syakta ha uni uknyang jingpang Hakajaka Shong Jongki. U Dr. AC Bhardwaj, DIG MED, Jongka BSF Composite Hospital, Ulaong Bakatanat Shipai BSF, Kalala, Banyale Yakani Jingpang Hakaba, Katanat Shipai, Kahap Sumar, Hadu Kumba South Pangut, Kinongpang, Kadbaka Hospital Pat, Kala Ban Ai Jing Sumar, Tangya Kumba Lai Pongut. Haba pentep halor ka jingdon jong Shipai Katanat, Kibalakot Minta Kalong Kandai Punrio Nakashispa. Ula benra ba menta ka jingdon jong kisipai ki bayo thamaya ka jingpang kadai tang kitu ki ba wan phai sha ka jalla na ka shuti jongki shushu katanat sipai BSF kala perking ba man la ki sipai katanat ki ba wan phai na ka shuti kin hab ban sa pitkar pang shwa bakin beteng ya ka kam ka jongki
The guidelines on after leave, we are putting them under quarantine. And before de-quarantining, before taking them out from the quarantine center for the duty, we are doing 100% testing of them. So if anyone has found positive, he will be admitted in the ward. Otherwise, those who are negative only, they are allowed to join the duty.
Laraki ka World Air Traffic Controllers Day mentaga singi ha Meghalaya bad habaro ka way kari. Laraki yakani ka singi kumshibenta ban kenmao yakan lingko dapsnem jongka International Federation of Air Traffic Controllers Association. Kabla seng haka arpo terik urisao khat khandai spa an riupuwe. Kani ka singi kadai ka singi ban kenmao ya baro ki kinthei bat shinrang hakal leng ka perthei kibala treshit reham ban pelong yaka let ka wan ka basuk bat bashingan lingba ka lingsun. Haba ay ki kintin sngungu siya baro kinong penyat yaka air traffic Manish Kumar Agarwal ulaong ba kakam jong kinong penyat yaka air traffic kalong ka bahap ay jing shakri met balmensim ka jing shimrai ka bastat bat kiway de ki jing bakia kandu
involves unique selfless service, very quick decision making, and above all to shoulder the responsibilities which comes immediately and remain calm amidst all the challenges.
Kajingalang jongki Deputy Commissioner level joint board meeting lapinlong minta kasingi hapadeng u Deputy Commissioner ka West Karbi Anglong Hamren District u Syed Isfakur Rahman bad u Deputy Commissioner ka West Jaintia Hills District uba Garrett LSN Dykes ha Conference Hall jongka Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Office. Hakani kajingalang layatay halor shibun kimat kibayade bad kijaka badon hakapot bad kabha kamiat jongki nongshong shnong. Layarai ru ban penlong ka jingya keren hapadeng gishnong kithaw habaro alyang jong kijaka khatput khamtam hakabaya day bat kalyang ka khayi pateng.
There are much of major issues between the districts. There are small issues which can definitely be solved by discussion, and we are glad that we could resolve many minor issues. And as decided, we see that most of the problems are basically almost village level problems.
We also decided to encourage community level meeting, that is at the level of Herman in the border area of two districts. So that as we are aware, most of the issues started at the village level. So the district, the joint meeting recommended we should encourage that community level meeting also should take place.
Mentapat gini pechwa ya kajinglong jingman kasun beneng hasilong. Kajingshit kalong arpu point pra degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong kan 0.8 degree Celsius. Kajing sngem ka haw kalong nyopu nakashispa minstap bat prapho nakashispa janmien. Kasun beneng kandum lo hasilong bat kijaka bamarjan. Shuaban penkut gini phabiang sashi sian chakimat bakongsan. Kiu ka jingdan ki bakot na ka jingpang COVID-19 hakari siya ka prapupra point riupulay na kasispa. Job katanat Sipai Border Security Force Meghalaya Frontier bante alakam ya uknyang jingpang ha headquarter. Laraki ya kasi kinong penyat lingsun lani ka World Air Traffic Controllers Day menta kasi. Bat penlong jingalang ki Deputy Commissioners jong ka West Jaintia Hills District, bat ka West Karbi Anglong District, bat penbet halor ki Kam Hapun menta kasi. Para lo katung ilapoy siya kabakot jong katup kubor jongi menta ka zanmiet hadu bangin daya siyembiang bat pila siya kasi kublaya pi baro.